Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to learn how to insert a drop-down list within a cell. So as you can see here, I've got a small table. So wherein cell C2 and C3 are free text forms, but cell C4 I would like to insert a drop-down list where the user can select the correct option from the list, right? So how do we do that? So let's write down what the options we will be giving to the user. So in this case, I'm going to give him 3 options. Then I'll select cell C4. Go to data tab at the top. Under data tab, under data tools, you have this data validation icon. In every version, you'll find this option in pretty much the same spot, right? So when you click on that icon, so you'll get a pop-up wherein under settings, validation criteria, and under allow, you're supposed to select list because we need a drop-down list. And it's going to ask for source. So in this case, my source will be whatever options that I have written down. Enter, click OK. So there you go. You have this drop down icon. Select and select the appropriate option. So that's how you insert a drop down list. Hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next video.